So we just woke up like 10 minutes ago. We jumped in the car and now we're heading to Slovenia for day 5 of the road trip. We're gonna go canyoning. Overslept. We were supposed to get up a while ago, but if we hurry, we're still gonna make it. So we'll see what happens. Alright, we made it to the spot. We're like 20 minutes to spare. Courtney's getting ready and we're gonna go check in. We'll walk it up. Courtney's got some snacks in the bag, haven't eaten yet. She slept on the drive. So she's a little tired. We've been going, and it's time to go canyoning. Alright, so we just got in the van. Jani's our tour guide today. We're taking a 20-minute drive up to the canyon and we're gonna hike for about 20 minutes and then the fun begins. Courtney's signing the liability form. She's worried she's gonna die in a canyoning accident.
One snowboarding accident down.
Canyoning's next. You better be safe. Be safe today, okay? Getting ready. Putting on the wetsuits. Let's see that outfit. That is nice. Oh yeah. Nice and tight.
That's what she said.
So how you feeling about today's adventure, Courtney? Are you nervous? A little nervous. Alright, we're gonna grab the top and we're gonna switch over to the GoPro. Oh, good for a flash. And we're gonna head up. Alright, on the GoPro, walking up to the canyoning spot. Got our wetsuits on. It's nice and warm out. So these things are gonna start sweating soon. Got our gear. Courtney's here. She's got a smile now, so that's good. So we're starting our canyon descent. Courtney's excited. Jani's lead this. It's gonna be a good time.
Most scary part. Safe. Now right hand also on the road here. Perfect. Now lean back, push your knees straight. Feet wide apart. Perfect.
Got it. Don't forget to have fun. Good.
Nice.
It's cold, isn't it?
That's so chilly. Oh, it's on my shirt.
Yeah. We're doing good.
Of course.
It's so cute. we can't do everything. Yeah. This is a lot of fun. There's the slide part's coming up. Courtney thought it was a plastic slide that they just installed in the canyon here. So.
Oh my god. No fucking way. Nice job.
So how was that jump? Was it a good time?
It was so down. I was the cliff top.
Yeah, that's the highest she's ever jumped, and over a rock, so that was really cool. Oh, this looks way easier. That was a blast. Our tour guide Jani was amazing. Definitely a lot more braver, but he's been doing this full time, so for 2 years now, so he knows what he's doing. But now we're gonna get hot chocolate to go warm up. Alright, we're walking out. He says he's got a few more surprises on the way, so we'll see what that is. Oh, hi there.
We look so cute.
I don't think so. It's a nice little float out. It's much better. I'm drowning. Courtney's sitting on me. How was your first canyoning trip? It was good?
So cold, but so good.
Good. Looks like it might be time to get out. There we go. Alright. Ready? Stand up first.
Oh my god.
Just jump right there.
Go further for me. You're too close.
No, I'll just jump out that way up. It's a bit shallow down there, so.
You jump straight.
I will. Ready? 2, 3.
Oh, you're just a handsome man. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the stuff. The other one's shy. Alright, how was it? Yeah. You want to go again? What was your favorite part? Yeah.
That was all fun.
Good. Alright, back in the car. Courtney's looking for places to eat. We haven't had breakfast because we woke up so late. We left like an hour late, and I can't believe we made it here on time. I almost called to cancel, but I'm super glad we didn't because that canyoning was amazing.
It was just us two.
And it was just us two the whole time. And Jani showed us around and did backflips off of cliffs, and he was awesome. So, are you hungry? Yeah. Alright, so we just finished eating at Tavich vegan cafe. It was really good. We got this avocado toast that was on freshly baked sourdough bread, and they put little pumpkin seeds and pomegranate on top of it, so it was like a little bit of like sweet and tartness. It was really good. And then we got hot chocolate with like whipped cream, and it was all vegan, and it was probably the best hot chocolate I've ever had. I went back and got a second one. Courtney got a matcha latte. 2 donuts. One was a chocolate and the other one was a hazelnut cinnamon that tasted like a carrot cake. And she got mixed vegetables that turned out to be sweet potato fries, which she loves sweet potatoes if we don't already know. So that was a win for her. But all of it was 31 euros. It was super cheap, and it was kind of just outside the city of Bled, so not super populated, and it was delicious. Definitely would check it out if you're on your way to Lake Bled. Look at this snack just walking on up. Alright, we are here. Courtney wants to lay in the sunshine, but no one on the riverbank. And we can even go over to that one if we wanted. Just finished laying out by the river, went paddleboarding a little bit, and now we're heading back towards Lake Bled to check into our campsite and see what that's about. We just arrived at Garden Village Resorts and Restaurants. It's a little glamping campground outside of Lake Bled Slovenia. It took us an hour and a half to get over here because of traffic. They're doing construction, so that was silly.